With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, today we'll be solving a question in biology, okay? So the question they have given us is, an effective measure to prevent global warming is, and the options they've given us are drip irrigation, afforestation to provide growth chambers, and none, okay? So basically the question is asking, among all the options the question has offered us, which option would be the most apt to prevent global warming? Now, if you see, the major reason for global warming is emission of greenhouse gases into atmosphere. Okay, this is the major reason. Okay, this is the major reason. And the most infamous greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are CO2, methane, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur oxide. And among this, CO2 and methane are the most infamous. Infamous means like most known. Okay, the increase in concentration of these toxic gases, of these greenhouse gases in atmosphere, prevents heat from going out, prevents heat from escaping earth. They reflect the heat back on earth. Okay, prevents heat from escaping earth by reflecting heat back on earth. So the entire world will not lose its heat and will remain hot. Okay, prevents heat from escaping earth by reflecting heat back to earth. Now, one may misconstrue that global warming means only the world will be hot. Okay, not like that. Global warming means it leads to the extremities of weathers. Okay, leads to extremities of weathers. If we take summers, it'll be the most extreme summer. If you take winters, it'll be the most extreme winter. And if you take rainy season, it will be the most extreme rains, which will lead to floods and tsunamis. Okay, that's why global warming should be in check. One may again misconstrue that, okay, there is so much heat outside, now water's all evaporated. If it's gonna be so much rainy season, it's gonna again do good for a country, right? No, because too much of something is good for nothing. You know that proverb, right? So based on that, global warming must be kept in check in order to limit all the harmful consequence. Okay, to limit all the harmful consequence. Now, if you see, one effective measure of controlling global warming and keeping it in check is increase in number of trees. Increase in count of trees is one of the good as well as an effective measure to prevent global warming from caressing the earth. Okay, because trees release oxygen. Okay, trees release oxygen, and oxygen is extremely vital for maintaining the standard temperature of earth. So, and even if you see, oxygen in the atmosphere due to action of UV light from sun will in turn become ozone, and ozone in atmosphere will become ozone, and ozone is the gas, acts as the ozone layer in the atmosphere, preventing all harmful UV rays from attacking us. Okay, moreover, because of action of these greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, there is thinning of ozone in the atmosphere, called as ozone hole. Okay, so when there's thinning of ozone in atmosphere, there will be direct affection of UV rays to humans because of there's no protection or barrier anymore. Okay, so only when there's more increase in oxygen, it will compensate the thinning of ozone here, because the oxygen produced will somehow go to the atmosphere due to the action of UV light from sun. The O2 plus UV from sun will become O3 and will build up in atmosphere. Okay, so we can see that increase in oxygen can effectively prevent global warming. But here we are not talking about normal amounts of oxygen, we are talking about extreme amounts of oxygen, which will take efforts of everyone to prevent and not only the government. Okay, so the correct option here is afforestation. Afforestation means planting of trees. Okay, so the correct option is option 2. Afforestation is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.